BigDog is a dynamically stable quadruped robot created in 2005 by Boston Dynamics with Foster Miller, the NASA Jet Propulsion Laboratory, and the Harvard University Concord Field Station. BigDog is 3 feet long, stands 2.5 feet tall, and weighs 240 pounds, about the size of a small mule. It is capable of traversing difficult terrain, running at 4 miles per hour, carrying 340 pounds, and climbing a 35-degree incline. Locomotion is controlled by an onboard computer that receives input from the robot's various sensors. Navigation and balance are also managed by the control system. History: BigDog is funded by the Defense Advanced Research Projects Agency in the hopes that it will be able to serve as a robotic pack mule to accompany soldiers in terrain too rough for conventional vehicles. Instead of wheels or treads, BigDog uses 4 legs for movement, allowing it to move across surfaces that would defeat wheels. The legs contain a variety of sensors, including joint position and ground contact. BigDog also features a laser gyroscope and a stereo vision system. BigDog's walking pattern is controlled through 4 legs, each equipped with 4 low-friction hydraulic cylinder actuators that power the joints. The BigDog robot, labeled as a military robot mule, has subsequently proven its potential worth in its ability to reduce load and remove that burden from a soldier's back. The BigDog project was headed by Dr. Martin Buehler, who, in 2012, received the Joseph F. Engelberger Award from the Robotics Industries Association for the work. Dr. Buehler, while previously a professor at McGill University, headed the robotics lab there, developing 4-legged walking and running robots. Built onto the actuators are sensors for joint position and force, and movement is ultimately controlled through an onboard computer which manages the sensors. Approximately 50 sensors are located on BigDog. These measure the attitude and acceleration of the body, motion and force of joint actuators as well as engine speed, temperature and hydraulic pressure inside the robot's internal engine. Low-level control, such as position and force of the joints, and high-level control such as velocity and altitude during locomotion, are both controlled through the onboard computer. BigDog was featured in episodes of Web Junk 20 and Hungry Beast, and in articles in New Scientist, Popular Science, Popular Mechanics, and The Wall Street Journal. On March 18, 2008, Boston Dynamics released video footage of a new generation of BigDog known as AlphaDog. The footage shows BigDog's ability to walk on icy terrain and recover its balance when kicked from the side. The refined equivalent has been designed by Boston Dynamics to exceed the BigDog in terms of capabilities and used to dismounted soldiers. In February 2012, with further DARPA support, the militarized legged squad support system variant of BigDog demonstrated its capabilities during a hike over tough terrain. Starting in the summer of 2012, DARPA planned to complete the overall development of the system and refine its key capabilities in 18 months, ensuring its worth to dismounted warfighters before it is rolled out to squads operating in theater. BigDog must be able to demonstrate its ability to complete a 20-mile trek within 24 hours without refueling while carrying a load of 400 pounds, whereas a refinement of its vision sensors will also be conducted. At the end of February 2013, Boston Dynamics released video footage of a modified BigDog with an arm. The arm can pick up objects and throw them. The robot is relying on its legs and torso to help power the motions of the arm. The news writer supposed it can lift weights around 50 pounds. Hardware: BigDog is powered by a 2-stroke, 1-cylinder, 15-horsepower go-kart engine operating at over 9,000 RPMs. The engine drives a hydraulic pump, which in turn drives the hydraulic leg actuators. Each leg has 4 actuators, for a total of 16. Each actuator unit consists of a hydraulic cylinder, servo valve, position sensor, and force sensor. Onboard computing power is a ruggedized PC/104 board stack with a Pentium 4 class computer running QNX. See also: IBO, BR Robotics, Legged Squad Support System, your next phase of the BigDog project, Gecko. References. External links: Boston Dynamics' BigDog page, Boston Dynamics BigDog on YouTube, Could BigDog be a soldier's best robotic friend?